Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are the smallest migrating birds. They don't migrate in flocks like other species, and they typically travel alone for up to 500 miles at a time. The name hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? The average weight of a hummingbird is less than a nickel, and their tiny legs are only used for perching and moving sideways while perched. Yes, hummingbirds can't walk or hop. There are over 330 species of hummingbirds in North and South America as well as the Caribbean.